Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to extract collagen from bones. First, ensure your bones are very clean, removing all meat and marrow. Next, you'll want to soak them in an acidic solution. This step is crucial for breaking down the bone structure. Use about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice per gallon of water, soaking for 12 to 24 hours. This helps release the minerals and collagen. After soaking, transfer your bones to a large pot and cover them with fresh water. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. You'll want to maintain this low heat for 6 to 12 hours or even longer to maximize collagen extraction. The longer the simmer, the more collagen will be released into the broth. Keep an eye on the water level, adding more if needed. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth. This separates the rich collagen broth from the spent bones and any small particles. Discard the solids as their work is done. Allow the liquid to cool slightly, then transfer it to containers and refrigerate. As it chills, a beautiful gelatinous layer will form. After refrigeration, you'll notice a layer of fat on top of your gelatin. Skim this off and discard it. Your homemade collagen is now ready. You can store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in ice cube trays. Once solid, transfer the cubes to freezer bags. This makes it easy to use small portions whenever you need them. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.